All right, here's a cool tip for you. A lot of people ask me, Craig, why do you hover the driver up in the air? Well, that's where the ball is. So if you're getting ready to hit a shot, let's say you're hitting a driver off the deck, you're gonna put the driver right on the ground, right behind the ball. The biggest mistake I see a lot of golfers make is they put their driver on the ground right behind the ball. So basically what you're doing at this point is you're addressing the tee. You're not really addressing the ball. Here's what happens from this position. The golfer comes in, addresses the tee. Halfway through their swing, they realize, oh no, I should be addressing the ball, and they come up out of it because the ball is now 2 inches higher up in the air. So what I do is I just simply address the ball. When I come in, waggle my club above, and then I drop it down right in behind the ball, and I start adjusting my stance until I know that's exactly where it's supposed to be. That allows me to address the ball and have great stability in my posture and in my stance. So next time you go out to play, give that tip a shot.